Alis na kayo, di ba? Excited kayo?
Sa Tagal.
Pagkatagal.
Dala, pinalagyan mo na yung tutorial, David.
Huwag na, di na importante yan, mabilis lang yan.
Ako nga, hindi ko na pinanood.
Loading ako, Orp. Teka lang.
Awit. Awit na yan.
Sa Tagal?
Tagal ng loading ba? Nakakabugnot ba?
Dapat mo
You're
yan.
so Tagal as always.
Boo, parang hindi siya.
Oo
Ay,
nga
I'm
po.
not matagal. Hello. I'm not matagal. I'm not matagal.
Tangan mo, alam.
Paliwanag pa.
Ito is always matagal. It's like a girl.
Oo.
So matagal. Yes, you are. You're so matagal kaya. Yeah, you're so matagal.
Tanay mo, bitch.
Parang Orp, loading image. Ang tagal.
Inis.
Yeah, you're so matagal talaga.
Ano, game? Ano, game? Game na ba?
Game na ba, Herb? Nandito na ba lahat?
Wait lang.
Game, join na yung lahat.
Guys.
Join na yung lahat, oy. Join na.
Gang.
Dito na, join na kayo. Kaya ko talaga,
Yun
bagal.
na pala.
Bagal talaga.
Na pala yung sa bottom kasi your name. I only see
Nakakainis
Ano, alam.
Nakakainis ah.
Shut up.
Nakakainis ah.
Nakakainis. GG's na nga, GG's.
Huwag kayo bigay, huwag kayo bigay.
Idiotic.
Huwag kayo maingay, palit nyo.
At ano yung doing circle?
Nagsasalita yun.
So tagal, there's so many animation. What the hell is that? What is... Draw. Okay.
Miss na
Draw
kwento.
what?
Gusto mo, sabi ko, maribig ka.
Ay,
Oh, mashed potatoes.
Oy, ba't mo sabihin?
Do it.
Tarantado,
sabihin mo sabihin.
Huwag na sabihin. Hulaan ka namin eh, para makuha namin eh.
Ano? Sinabi niyo.
Okay,
Wala na,
okay.
sinabi na. Wala na, may nakaalam na dyan. Alam niyo na kung ano yun.
Malo, di ko man alam drawing ni Queen.
Ayaw ka na, di natin alam yung drawing yung speed. Eh, what if alam natin? Di ba?
Can I put
Oo nga, ano.
gravy here? There's no... Oh, the brown one.
Kasi ko maingay, kulit ko sa sabi chat. Hoy, may pakawala pa yan ha, kaya bilisan nyo.
What?
Meron pa kayo isang gawin.
Oh, really? That's fine. Okay, then. Let's put ano.
BJ.
Wag na.
Ang tagal ba?
BJ daw ba?
Ano yung next, pre? Di ba? 1/2 pa lang.
Sabi sa'yo ko rin eh.
Paano pupuntahin doon?
Okay na
Paano
ako, bahala
ba-
kayo dyan. I-submit na, oy!
Paano pupuntahin?
Submit!
Sapit.
Saan yan? Awit.
Kailangan na drawing mo?
There's two pala. You didn't say there's two.
Kaya nga sabi nila bilisan yun, di ba? Sabi mo,
Oh.
Hindi ko lang mga pipinten, pre.
Sabi ko, okay, sapit.
Submit ka, eh.
Drawing.
Ba't yun? Zero. Ba't yun? Zero. Zero sa inyo?
Oo.
Yeah.
Ako rin, 0. Yan, 3K.
Opo, ano? Lasangya. Photograph.
What's that? Beautiful day.
Miss na to sinasabi, huwag sabihin.
Huwag sabihin, boy.
Ni Queen?
No, I'm just reading the...
Huwag mo sabihin, huwag sabihin.
Huwag mo namin sabihin. Please.
No, I have to bid. Okay, I will bid.
Oh? Pero kaya, maganda ba yan?
Hindi ko nakuha. Hindi ko kuha na yan. Bahala kayo dyan.
Sige, ako na lang to. Miss ko yun. Kahit
Pag
kahit
talaga yun eh. Pag talaga yun eh.
Hindi ko kuha na yan. Hindi ko kuha na yan.
I don't get this game.
Nakita mo na sa gilid mo? Hahanapin mo yan sa mga drawing.
Going to...
Photograph yan?
Okay.
Kaya drawing yan. Oh,
Hindi. Hindi po.
fuck, man.
sabi ko na, beautiful day yun eh. Kinuha ko na eh.
Ang ina niya. Ang laki pala nun.
Now let's get the ball rolling for this competition of
Ayan,
courage.
cupcake, cheesecake.
Na,
I'm now looking for
No, dude.
500 credits.
Ano yan? Anong drawing yan?
Anyone? 600 credits is
Then now either.
the credit bid, so you know what to do because it is 600 credits. 600 credits, anyone?
Hey, my credits are low. What does this mean?
700 credits,
Wala
anybody?
kang pera.
I am currently looking for
Ah.
700 credits.
Ito
I don't want to have
drawing the
700
beautiful
credits.
thing.
Show me 700 credits.
Huwag ka maingay, penalty.
Bidding lang. Inis.
Prize sold.
Tingnan mo yung nasa gilid mo.
Nice job.
Pero wag mo sasabihin kung ano nandiyan.
Still, could be worse.
Chachi.
What's
Dapat
that?
drawing
What
cowboy.
the hell is that
Isa
drawing?
pakit pasta.
Oh,
Magkano?
that's a
Ano
pasta.
yun?
I thought it was...
Let's start this bid off at 400 credits. Does anyone have 700 credits? I am looking for 1,000. Time to look. And now we need 1,600 credits. 1,600 credits is what I want to see. 1,600 credits is what I would like to see. So who can show me 6,900 credits up for grabs? Who can show me 1,900 credits?
Agawan, no? Agawan.
Ano ba yan? Pinipindot ko lang.
1,900 credits. I am looking for 1,900 credits. Going once.
Oy! How can I get more credits ba?
Appears that green one.
Utang sa bangko.
Nice job.
Utang ka. Pwede kong utang.
Oh, okay.
Camera.
Lucky roll of
Photograph yan!
Fuck!
Kasi 5K.
Photograph yan!
5K pa yun.
Camera yun!
Sheesh, ang sarap.
Let's start this bid off at 400.
Ah,
Ba't ganun?
Kailangan-
Ba't parang wala naman nadagdag sa pera ko, pre?
I would love to see 800
Kalahati
credits.
lang yung
800
bibigay.
credits can be
Ay, huli yan. So,
owned
huli
by
mo na lang
anyone
yan.
with the determination
Yeah.
and willpower. But
Pagandahan, no?
so can someone
Padamihan ng pera sa dulo. Pagandahan ng drawing, yung presyo ng drawing, yung bali ng drawing.
Wala nga, pwede pa lang ano, babaan yung bit.
looking for 1,500 credits. Now we reach 1,600 credits.
Ikaw ni EJ, oh. Sino kayo makakakuha, Erp? Kita ko, ikaw kung magkano yan.
So can someone give me a sign code?
Sino kaya, Erp?
I would love to see 90.
Sino kaya ang makakakuha?
Going once,
Drawing mo yan, Lisa, no?
going
Hindi.
twice.
Wala akong atang napasa, Erp.
Nice job, Purple. I'm winning the auction.
Hindi ko nasabit yung akin.
Eh,
Ang laki niyan, 2.9.
Rolling in the dough.
Photoshoot
Ay,
nga yan.
photoshoot?
Putang ina. Lalayo at ginagawa eh.
hmm?
Ay!
Uy,
Nakalaw.
This bid off at
Ano yan?
400 credits. Does
Sige, akin
anyone-
lang.
What the hell is...
Okay then, I'm now looking for 500 credits. Can I? And now we reach
Ito,
600
Maliw,
credits.
mahal yan.
Onwards to 700 credits.
Alam mo drawing ko to na? Sabi mo?
800
Ito,
credits in
ito yan.
this piece of art just might become yours. 800 credits will be able to get you this piece
Ano
of
na,
art.
mga Ben?
I would love to see 800
Washing
credits.
machine.
Time to look for 11.
Walang iya. Bigyan nyo naman ako ng ano.
1,100 credits.
Nalintik na ano. Na painting. Walang iya.
Pera niyo, makapunta sa akin. Sarap.
Sige, tasan niyo pa, Poy.
Tasan niyo pa, mahal yan, uy. Ba, tasan niyo, uy, ba?
Bakit? You raised the ano?
Bili mo, uy. Nice lang, Queen.
700 yung iya.
Uto-uto ang putang ina.
Ako na yung na EJ. That's yours na.
Wala.
Sa'yo yun,
Wala na.
sa'yo yun.
Wala na. Sa'yo na.
Get it?
Akala ko diyan.
Wala. Kasalanan mo yan. Uto-uto kayo.
Nice one, Queen.
Akin na yung pera mo. Akin na yung pera mo, Queen.
dahil.
EYL.
Still,
Boom.
could be worse.
39.
Sabi sa inyo, mahal yan eh. Kulit nyo naman eh.
I'm quite impressed some of you actually turned a profit on some of those paintings, as I thought a few of
Oh,
those were
next.
so
What's
hideous
next?
they wouldn't turn a profit in their entire existence.
Utang nga rin,
But
utang
Utang
nga.
daw. Kung
Are
sino
you
gusto
ready to
mag-utang sa
dissect
bangko,
each other's
umutang
organs
na.
out in fury? No? Well, you probably
Huh?
will now as they welcome in the screws with
I have 2
gratuity.
paintings, oh.
Ba't wala ko eh? Nakatigil.
And now we begin with the
Yeah.
auction at 4. Alright, let's season things up to 500 credits. I am now looking for 500 credits.
Lala, kaya yan ba?
Going bid unless someone
Hindi
snags
yan.
it.
Mushroom.
Going once. Going twice. Sold.
Wait sa inyo, 1-2 yata yan. Hindi pala.
Splendid.
Ano yan? Thank you. Ano
Hindi
yan?
pala.
Nice
May
job.
pera ako. May pabadid ako. Yay!
Hindi ko kasi... Yay!
This competition of
Putang ina naman mo.
Kaya na, maganda.
Putang ina mo yan, bala. Madami nabili ah.
does not
Grabe ba? Ang dami ah.
1,200 credits.
How much is screw?
Paldo, Herb.
So get someone.
Bibili ko yan, Herb. Mas service ko yan.
Ay, Ethan.
1,300 credits. Can someone find me 1,300 credits?
Anong suot mo nila sa'yo yan? Sige, sa'yo na yan. Sa'yo naman
Ito
yun.
yan. Wala akong pera eh.
Screw.
Anyone? Alright, Blue. Who will you screw
Ayan o,
this
de-demonstrate.
time?
Ethan, what's a screw?
Ayun nga, de-demonstrate to.
Oh.
Oh, Orange. Guess who's screwed?
Oh.
The instigator didn't realize you don't have enough
Why,
credits to
why?
bid for the
What's
ads to
the
begin
meaning
with.
of screw? Anong purpose niya?
Ano? Wala si...
Pero ang kinik ako, ba't gano'n? Kinik ako sa server.
1,300 credits.
I didn't do anything.
Balik ka na lang, Toy.
Correct ka na lang, wala ka pera.
Oh, may herb, kinik ako.
Kinik.
Well, I am looking for 1,300 credits.
Nag-drawing daw kasi siya nga.
Going once,
Ikaw nag-drawing lahat.
going
Patay.
twice. Sold.
Hindi ba?
Looks like green
May edition yun eh, pero di yan maano.
Splendid. Wow.
Binili
you
sarili ko
actually
pala,
bought
painting.
your own art piece. Not only the house will receive 100% of the winning bid, but you also be mocked to the fullest extent due to your foolish move. Everyone in this room,
Ano?
ringing out
Taga
loud.
lang.
Kinik na naman ako ba? Alis na yan talaga.
Zero.
In the red,
Broke even.
Sakto. Broke even. Sakto lang ba? Oy, bangko, utang. Sino mag-utang?
Utang daw, sino gusto umutang?
Utang na. Sino mababa ang pera diyan?
May ganun ba?
Oh, yan, get loan.
Doon. Pindot pala. Hindi sana ako mag-uutang.
Sa dulo, bibilangin yan. Oh, hell no, bro.
Onwards to 700 credits.
Potang ina. Kay Ethan to eh, alam ko eh.
900 credits up for grabs. Who can show me?
Alam ko
Ito,
drawing.
Toy.
Alam ko drawing ko.
With organized ink coded drawing. We
Ito,
are
Toy yan.
looking for 900 credits.
Lagpas.
I am looking for 900 credits. Going once.
Hoy!
Going twice. Sold.
Arte.
Congratulations,
700 lang yan eh.
on winning this characteristic
Oo nga eh.
bounty.
Oh, really?
Ooh.
Lasagna.
Lasagna?
Nandiyan ah.
Oo.
Hindi ko alam, pero nagdating na siya.
Let's start this bid off at
Kaya
400
bid.
credits. Now let's
Magkano halaga niyan?
time to look for 13. Alright, Green. Who will you screw this time?
Wait. Ayoko na bumalik ko eh. Ibang game. Miss na laro yan.
Kailangan tapusin natin. I don't know what will happen.
You're screwed.
Sige, tapusin niyo muna. TikTok muna.
1,400 credits. I am looking for 1,400 credits. 1,400 credits is what's needed to hold the bid. If anyone wants to jump right to the bid to get it, can I see 1,400 credits? Going once. Going twice. Sold. Congratulations, Blue, on winning this characteristic bounty.
Magkano kaya yan? Boom.
Looks like
Ayo.
we're eating ramen noodles like a broke college
Ang
student
sama.
tonight.
May KFC.
Harap.
Wala na naman pera.
Utang! Utang! Sino walang pera dyan?
Utang
Ang
na, oh.
dami kong parang pera. Yung utang ko pa rin kanina.
Oh, utang na, oh. Ay, hindi. Ay,
No, I don't need a loan. I have some money.
Last one.
Let's start this bid
Oh.
off at 400 credits. 7. Not right. 1,000 credits. 1,000 credits. 1,000 credits is what it takes to hold the bid for this Time to look for 1,100 credits. I am
Agad na tayo all in.
100 credits.
Wala nga di pa binigay sa ni EJ ba?
Purple, who will you
CJ.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange is now screwed.
bili mo na kasi.
Why me?
1,400
Eh,
credits. 1,400 credits?
Ah,
1,500 credits, anyone?
Malaki yan, Arp.
1,500 credits is all that's needed.
Gagawan niya.
Malaking
So
utang.
you know what to do,
Hindi.
because it
Malaki
is
yan, pre.
get it.
Kaya nga gusto ko bilhin eh.
1,500 credits.
Hindi bilhin mo na.
1,600 credits.
Oo nga, boy, 500 yan.
1,600 credits is what it takes to hold the bid.
Hindi, tunay yan.
Malaki.
2.9. 2.9.
1,600 credits from it.
Tunay nga yan, pre.
Going once,
Video camera
ba
eh.
yan?
twice,
Oo.
sold. And the bid
2.9.
won the auction. Nice job.
Hmm.
thank you.
Womp womp.
Ay, hindi rin.
Tunay.
Tunay eh.
1-1.
Any last
Hayop.
words before you rip each other's throats out in endless madness and delusion?
What
Well, until the next match, that is.
Wala, si Tot. Tayo ba?
Wala ba?
Ah, that's the gravy.
Tangina, empty plate ba yan?
Empty plate
Putang
talaga.
ina yan. Yun ang empty plate yan.
Mashed potato.
Ang laki ng kinita ko doon ba? 7,000.
Ayaw.
Oo, 9,000 ba? May utang naman. Ay,
Panalo siya.
Utang naman. Wala si Penelope, gago.
Panalo pa rin ba?
tatlo kasi yung kanya eh, no? Ah,
Hindi ba si Totoy?
isa ba? Nanatay. Game.
Baba?
Isa pa, ibang game.
Isa pa.
Ba?
Ibang game.
Ines.
Ano to, buga-buga?
Ano, ibang game ba? Medyo nag-enjoy ako din eh sa idiotic investing.